In order to use flowlog's new billing feature, there are a few prerequisites that we will be covering in this video. First thing you will need to do is create a set of books if you haven't already done so. Decide on whether you need a cash or accrual set of books. If you created a set of books before the billing feature was implemented, then you will need to edit your set of books and select cash or accrual. You will also need to set your default sales tax percent. This will be used if or when you choose to apply sales tax to an invoice. This rate can also be overridden in the invoice create form. If you don't think you'll need to apply sales tax to an invoice, or you prefer to enter it anew for every invoice, then you can leave this unset. While this is technically not a requirement to start using the billing feature set, if you want your customers to have the option to pay an invoice through flowlog, then you will want to enter your merchant ID and IPN secret. We will cover this in our coinpayments.net setup video. I'll go ahead and show you an example of what a simple accrual and cash set of books look like. For accrual, you will at minimum need a cash account, accounts receivable account, and an income account, as well as an accounts payable and expense account. I also set up a bad debt account, which is not necessary to start using the billing feature, but it is still important. We'll cover bad debt in another video. And if you are using the sales tax feature in flowlog's billing feature set, then I would go ahead and create the necessary account or accounts for that. For cash, you will, at the very least, need a cash and income account, as well as an expense account for bills. And once again, if you plan on using the sales tax feature, then it won't hurt to create an account for that when setting up your books. You will also need to set your current asset and current liability group so flowlog knows what accounts to use in the invoice feature. This is already set for you if you created a set of books after the billing feature was implemented. To do this, just click Edit for whichever group you want to set as your current asset group, and do the same for your current liability group. Obviously, the groups named current assets and current liabilities are the ones I'm going to set, but you may change the group names for your set of books, so what groups you choose to set as your current liability and current asset group could be different for you. Now you are ready to use the billing feature in flowlog. You will still need to create customers and vendors in order to create invoices and bills, which we will cover in another video. Thanks for watching.